We're going to right click on the OpenVPN icon in the toolbar. We're connecting to CSA VPN. Your username and password should be already saved. Click on OK. Be patient and wait for this process to complete. The screen should minimize when it's done. We're going to click on the window in the bottom left-hand corner. Type in the word Run in the search bar. We want to locate Run and click once with the left mouse button. In the Run bar, we have to specifically tell it where we want to go. In this case, we're going to / csaserver.acsf.local. We can click on the OK button. Next, we'll have to supply our credentials. You'll have to precede your username with ACSF and a \. We can click on Remember Credentials so you don't have to put this in every time. Or we can clear it. We can now see all the folders available. We're going to double click on Company. We're going to make a new desktop shortcut so we can get at this easily. We're going to point to Measurement Plan or any other folder you need to. Right click, Send to Desktop Create Shortcut. This shortcut will only be valid if you have the VPN on for OpenVPN with the little green light on. We're going to go to the desktop to verify that works. Please be patient. We have Barbara's folders up and running. She wants to go to Indicator Decks. And we'll take a look at the Excel spreadsheet, because it's the smallest file out there. You can see we're opening Excel. You can see why I did not want to use one of the bigger files to download. And we have our file open. Once you go through this process, you'll be able to use a shortcut and get access to your files remotely. I hope this helps. When you're done, you can click on the up caret again. You can right-click on the OpenVPN icon, select CSA VPN, and disconnect.